Hello everyone, I have a 2003 Acura MDX, and recently I noticed there's a metallic rattle sound at low RPM. It almost sounds like a bell, like a metallic bell. So I took it to the dealer during my oil change and I explained to them the sound. They thought it was coming from the catalytic converter shield, this piece right here, so they installed this clamp for me. And when I drove it, the sound didn't go away. Obviously that's why I'm under the carriage right now, trying to figure it out. So after I investigated all under the carriage of the area where I thought the sound was coming from, I found out this piece, or it led me to this piece right here. So I have a shield here that appears to be worn out, but it's not making the sound that I'm experiencing. So finally I think the sound came from here, this piece right here. Hear that? So what I'm gonna do, I went to Home Depot and grabbed a similar clamp like this for $1.45, and I'm gonna install it right here and test drive it and see that takes care of it. So again everybody, I put the clamp back in place. As you see, it's now solid. So I'm gonna take it to the test drive and tell you how it went. Alright everybody, back in the car now. Let's see how it goes. Absolutely beautiful. The sound disappeared. Boy oh boy, that used to bother the hell out of me. Yep, that took care of it. Alright everyone, here you have it. If you have a metallic rattle sound, before you take it to the dealer, just spend a few moments and go under your car. Make sure the car is not running when you do that, and it's in park. Thank you for watching.